Nothing beats the feeling of populating all 4 DIMM slots on the board. This is XPG Gammix D20 memory, low profile RAM sticks, stealth look with no RGB nonsense. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and welcome to the channel. Today we got this cool memory from ADATA. This is from their gaming division called XPG and this is model Gammix D20, and what I like about this memory a lot is that it comes with this stealth black look, as I said in the beginning, and it's also low profile, so if you're using big tower coolers to cool your CPU, this memory won't get in your way. So let's check it out. So as I said, it's stealth looking, plain black color of the heatsinks, black PCB color, and it fits into any theme, and what's most important, you can populate all 4 DIMM slots with this memory and you can still put large CPU coolers like the Noctua D15 for example, and the memory will not interfere with the mounting at all. So it's not only great for these types of builds with larger heatsinks, it's also great for smaller enclosures like ITX builds for example. Packaging is simple with shiny red color of the box and the picture of the RAM in front and 2 cutouts on the back, well, pretty much standard memory packaging. Inside the box, some papers and the sticks of course. These come in a variety of speeds and sizes, and the ones that I got here are 2x8GB sticks rated at 3200 MHz. They also come in speeds of 3200, 3600 and 4133 MHz and in kits of up to 64GB in size. Timings of this particular kit here are CL16 2020 with 1.35 volts. Now this is a pretty common speed nowadays and it is considered a sweet spot for pretty much any build, especially with Ryzen systems. So enough with chit chat about the specs, let's see some numbers. Test system is X570 Aorus Elite board with Ryzen 3 3100 CPU and the other one with X570 MSI Tomahawk Wi-Fi with Ryzen 9 3900X. The AIDA64 memory benchmark, Cinebench R23, WinRAR unpacking and gaming tests, so you can see some real-world usages of this memory and how it impacts your system. So you have seen it can be overclocked to 3600 MHz, but with CL18, and this yields diminishing returns over the CL16 and 3200 MHz, so in my opinion it's not worth it. So let's sum things up. Is it a good memory? Most certainly yes, it doesn't offer RGB, but again XPG offers models with it if you are into that. This one has that neutral look and fits into literally any PC build theme. Has more than decent speeds and you can use it in tight enclosures and also with large heatsink CPU coolers. So is it good for gaming? Well, yes it is. The differences with faster RAM kits are in the 1 to 3 FPS range, so it's not a big deal for the price you are paying, which is around 110 euros or dollars at the moment of the review. With a bit of voltage boost you can overclock them to 3600 CL16 speeds, so it can be on par with other memories out there. I call this a win-win situation as you are getting fast RAM with cool looks without breaking the bank. Once again, I would like to thank ADATA and XPG respectively for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to check the S70 NVMe review from previous week and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!